Hello, welcome and welcome back. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I just wanted to do a quick flip through of some free wallpaper samples that I was sent from a company called, I want to say Hovia. Yeah, Hovia, H-O-V-I-A. And I had Googled free wallpaper samples and this company came up and I ordered them online and they sent them to me. No charge. So I'll just show you what they sent me. So there's a few things there. Might help you find it if you're looking for it. If you want to take a screenshot. QR code, a phone number, and a contact at hovia.com. So these are the ones I chose. I love any floral with a really dark background is intriguing to me. And these are nice size pieces for us for crafting. They're 11.5 by 16 and 3/8. So just under a ledger size. So this one has a navy background and all the pretty flowers on it, poppies. So I don't know, these would make good book covers. This is kind of going the wrong direction for a book cover. It would be sideways, be upside down if you did a horizontal book. So I might fussy cut them. They're great images for fussy cutting. And that one's called Posy Dark. And then I got this one, which is like the ends of cut logs. And it's called just logs. And they're nice thick. They don't have a pre-pasted back. They're just nice thick paper, not glossy. And this brick one is called Lambeth. I thought that one was neat. And then an all over fern pattern called Heidi Green. It might have come in other colors. Most of these probably came in different colors. And this one's called Fungi. Bunch of mushrooms. That one would work for a book cover. I have to save that one for Brenda Clark. You know, she likes mushrooms. So that's a really quick sampling. And then the cover sheet is the same kind of paper as the other pieces. So that would make a great masterboard. Just go right over top of it and coffee dye the back. So just thought I would hop on and show you those because I've had them for quite a while sitting in a pile of things and haven't used them, haven't done anything with them. So I thought I better show them to you. It's about time. So if you would like to try to get some, you can go on to that hovia.com and get some samples for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.